We're here on this 132-foot burger. We're trying to coordinate right now. We got two, oh shit, here they come. Hold on, I gotta film this. They're coming towards the boat. We're gonna film this.
What's up, everybody? It's about 6:30. I'm headed to Key West right now. We're doing a boat shoot tomorrow for Marine Video Production. It is a 113-foot burger yacht. It's going to be a charter video, so we're doing the whole lifestyle thing, bringing all the photo, video, drone, backup equipment, all that usual stuff. It's about a 3.5-hour drive down to Key West. Hoping there's no traffic, which should be relatively on the light side anyways. So I will see you guys in Key West. It's about 7:30 in the morning here at the marina. Meeting up with Bernie right now, pushing off the dock by before 8 a.m. Got some nice clouds, nice colors in the sky, so it's looking like a good day for a boat shoot. It's an airport nearby, so we gotta get a little bit off the coast of the key, especially for the drone stuff, but it's looking like a promising day. Enough distance to get away from the airport so we can fly the drone. Ate a good breakfast, always a good start to a shoot. Bernie is making phone calls and sending support emails.
With the GoPro, we're on the rubber ducky. So you just come like next to her, so you're coming out of the water, we see it. She really gets me high. You know that's no lie. She's so rock steady. Man, she's always ready. We're here on this 132-foot burger. We're trying to coordinate right now. We got two, oh shit, here they come. Hold on, I gotta film this. They're coming towards the boat. We're gonna film this.
Just wrapped up the last few running shots with the drone, finishing up a few just kind of close-up detail, water moving shots, little artistic kind of details. From here, we're headed back to the dock, and that's going to be a wrap for this shoot. Driving back up to Miami, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.